Welcome to our channel. If you want to send money quickly and easily using Zelle through your Wells Fargo account, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started with this convenient payment service. Step 1. Access Wells Fargo online banking by visiting www.wellsfargo.com and logging in, or open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfer and Pay section in the main menu and select Zelle from the available options. Step 3. If you're using Zelle for the first time with Wells Fargo, you'll need to accept the Zelle terms and conditions and enroll by verifying your email address or U.S. mobile phone number. Step 4. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone to confirm your enrollment and link your contact information to your Wells Fargo account. Step 5. To send money with Zelle, click Send Money and enter the recipient's email address or U.S. mobile phone number that's enrolled with Zelle. Step 6. Enter the amount you want to send. Note that Wells Fargo has daily sending limits with Zelle, which vary based on your account type and history, $2,500 for most consumer accounts. Step 7. Select which Wells Fargo account you want to send the money from, add an optional message to the recipient, and review all transaction details. Step 8. Click Send to complete the transaction. The money typically arrives within minutes if the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle. If they're not enrolled, they'll receive a notification with instructions to sign up, and the money will be delivered once they enroll, typically within 1 to 3 business days. You can also receive money through Zelle at the email or phone number you enrolled and track all your Zelle transactions in your Wells Fargo activity history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.